Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can move files from one contents of one file to the other, or from one directory to the other. So if I want to move contents of one file to the other, I will just come here. So in this case, I have two files, which is the Note and the Notepad. So I want to move contents of Notepad or Note to a new file, or just create a new file or rename a new file. So in this case, I'm going to click here and type PowerShell, then enter. So when I type PowerShell and enter, it's going to open this command line interface, or the command interface line. Now I'm going to use the function mv, which is short for moving files. So I'm going to move files from the not.txt space. So this txt is the old text that I'm moving or I'm renaming. Then the new one, I'm going to rename it as moved. Let's just say moved dot txt. So when I enter here, I expect that to take effect. So to confirm if I've moved contents from this to this, or rather I have remained this to this, we are going to go to the file where these files are. So you can see that from Notepad, it has been moved to moved, or it has been renamed to moved. So that's how we can use command prompt effectively to rename your files. Thank you.